Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students, how are you? Okay, let's start today's lecture. Today we are going to study the deep cervical fascia of the neck. You asked what is the picture showing? It's a picture of it's basically a cross section of the neck at the level of C5. Let me turn on the brush and then I will show you something. Okay, brush is on, right. Okay, now I will tell you, this is basically the deep cervical fascia. The three layers of the deep cervical fascia. One is the this one which is covering all around, which is the investing layer. First one is the investing layer, which is surrounding all sides in front and in backward. This is the deep cervical fascia layer. This is the investing layer. And then we have the pretracheal layer. The pretracheal layer, this one is the pretracheal layer. This one is the pretrachea, that is here is the trachea. In front of the trachea you have the pretracheal layer and a pretracheal layer, and on the behind this is the vertebra, and behind over here you have the prevertebral layer. So prevertebral layer is here. So three layers. One is the investing layer, okay, which is surrounding all way. This is the investing layer, and the pretracheal layer, which is in front, and the layer which is behind is the prevertebral layer. So three layers are basically combined to form the deep fascia. Basically the deep cervical fascia, you can say that the deep cervical fascia is divided into these three layers, and we will go into detail of each layer. Okay, so first we will discuss the investing layer. The investing layer is the layer which is covering all the way in the front and in the backward, and it is enclosing two muscles, one muscle and this is the other muscle. The two muscles are enclosed, and over here these two muscles, basically this is trapezius and this is sternocleidomastoid muscle. Okay, so this is right and this is left, whatever your side is. This is left and this one is right. This is the posterior view and or the side of the vertebral column, and this is the anterior view. So the investing layer is covering all the way, and it is enclosing the two muscles. The two muscle, one is the sternocleidomastoid and the other one is the trapezius muscle. So these two muscles are inside the investing layer. So what the next layer name is, so we will go into detail of the other layer. Other layer is this one. Over here you can see it is enclosing the muscles, small muscles like the omohyoid muscle and trachea, also over here too. This layer, basically this layer is called the pretracheal layer. Okay, this layer, name of the layer is the pretracheal layer. So the third one, we are going towards the third one. The third one is it encloses all the way and is dividing this portion into two sections, one section and two section, and this section is the vertebral section, and this is enclosing this portion, and this is the prevertebral. Why prevertebral? Because this is dividing the vertebra anteriorly, and that's why it's called the prevertebral layer. All the muscles over here are present, and the vertebral column inside it. This is the spinal cord. This is the spinal cord, and this is the vertebral column. So all are present inside the prevertebral layer, and all the muscles over here are present. Okay, so one thing I want to tell you, that this is the spinal cord. Okay, from the spinal cord, you know that the nerves appear as the anterior and the posterior rami. The anterior rami and the posterior rami. The anterior rami of the cervical nerves are passing between these two muscles, one muscle, and this is the two muscle, the scalenus muscle. This is the scalenus anterior and this is the scalenus medius. Between these two muscles, the nerve anterior rami of the anterior rami of the cervical nerve is passing. Okay, this one is the posterior rami. So between one and two, these two muscles, the nerve is passing. When this nerve of the brachial plexus, the nerves of the brachial plexus also comes from the cervical cord. So cervical portion of the spinal cord. So you know that when this part of the nerves passes through this region, it takes itself with it the portion of the prevertebral layers with it too. Okay, the portion of the prevertebral layer which is going with which is going with the nerves is the axillary sheet, and it is as its name showing, axillary sheet. So it is going towards axilla and is covering till axilla. Okay, so we are going to discuss the one important thing, and this one is the carotid sheet. Till now we have discussed the three layers of the deep fascia of the neck, and the one is the investing layer, which is covering all the way, but it is enclosing two muscles, trapezius and sternocleidomastoid. And then we know the tracheal layer, and then we know the prevertebral layer, and then we know the axillary sheet. Axillary sheet is basically anterior rami of when the anterior rami of the cervical nerves passes through these two muscles, scalenus anterior and medius. It takes away the prevertebral layer. It withers to till the root of the axilla, and that's why this extension of the prevertebral layer is called the axillary sheet. Okay, now I'm going to tell you about the carotid sheet. Basically, what is the carotid sheet? Carotid sheet is just a combination of prevertebral, here the prevertebral, and from here is the pretracheal, and from here is the investing layer. So it is combination of three. All the three sheets are combining to form this carotid sheet. And what is inside the carotid sheet? Inside the carotid sheet you can see the common carotid artery. uh, this one is the internal jugular vein, and this is the vagus nerve. And here you can see, I will show you again. Okay, so here are the present deep cervical lymph nodes, internal jugular vein, common carotid artery, and the vagus nerve. These are the four contents of the present inside the carotid sheet. This is the carotid sheet. Okay, so we discuss everything about the deep fascia and the neck, and in the deep fascia of the neck we discuss 1 to 4 layers, four things. If I'm not wrong, we discuss 5 things, whatever. One is the first one. Let me clear it. Okay, so the first one is the investing layer, and the second one is the pre-tracheal layer, and the third one is the pre-vertebral layer, and the fourth one is the axillary sheet, and this one is fourth. Okay, and the fifth one I will write over here. Fifth one is the carotid sheet. So these 5 things were discussed in the deep fascia of the neck, and hopefully you understood, and I hope so that you understood everything. And thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.